Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HTC U11 Life and I want to show you how manage Google passwords on this device. Our first step to manage our Google passwords, we must open Google Chrome and press three dots on the right corner. Now navigate to the settings and there we have our save passwords. We press that and there we can manage our password. We can turn on or turn off function as save passwords, auto syncing, and we can manage password which our HTC remember, in this case to our Facebook account. When we press on that, we can delete it and we have our email we use it for this account. We can delete it by delete and we don't have it right now. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!